flush lifting pull is a low-profile handle designed to sit flush with a surface, often used in marine and industrial applications, to provide a secure grip for lifting or opening hatches, doors, and panels without protruding parts. This design minimizes tripping hazards and allows for a sleek, streamlined appearance, ideal for confined or high-traffic areas. A deck hinge is a robust, swiveling connector commonly used on boats and marine vessels to secure railings, bimini tops, and other structural components. Its design allows for flexible movement and quick adjustments, making it ideal for supporting and stabilizing equipment in changing marine conditions. A rope catcher is a convenient accessory designed to hold and secure ropes on boats, preventing them from tangling or slipping. Typically mounted on decks or bulkheads, it keeps ropes neatly organized and easily accessible, enhancing safety and efficiency on board. A straight bow chock is a sturdy U-shaped fitting mounted on a boat's bow, guiding ropes and lines to prevent chafing against the boat's edges. It helps maintain rope alignment and secures the vessel effectively when moored, making it essential for safe docking and anchoring. A cleat is a versatile fastening device mounted on boats and docks to secure ropes and lines, essential for mooring and docking. Its T-shaped or horn design provides a strong grip, allowing for quick and reliable tying and untying of ropes to keep vessels stable. A low flat top cleat is a compact, streamlined mooring fixture designed to sit close to the deck, reducing tripping hazards while providing a secure tie-down point for ropes. Ideal for boats and docks with limited space, it ensures a strong hold without protruding above the deck surface. A grapnel anchor is a lightweight, multi-pronged anchor commonly used for small boats, kayaks, and dinghies, ideal for anchoring on rocky or hard surfaces. Its folding design makes it easy to store, while the prongs provide a strong grip by catching on rocks or crevices to secure the vessel. A boat hook is a long pole with a hook on the end, used to reach, push, or pull objects and assist with docking, retrieving lines, or fending off other boats. It is an essential tool for safe and efficient maneuvering in tight spaces or when docking, giving crew members extended reach and control. A cross-bollard cleat is a durable T-shaped mooring fixture, often found on docks and larger vessels, designed for securing heavy ropes with ease. Its crossbar configuration allows for versatile line arrangements, making it ideal for tying off multiple ropes and handling high tension during docking. A fishing snap clip is a small, spring-loaded clip used to quickly and securely attach fishing lures, hooks, or other tackle to the fishing line. Its design allows anglers to change gear swiftly without retying knots, saving time and enhancing convenience on the water. A splicing spike, or marlin spike, is a pointed metal tool used by sailors to separate and weave rope strands for splicing and knotting, essential for creating strong, custom rope connections. Its tapered design enables precise manipulation of rope fibers, making it invaluable for rigging and repair work on boats. A boat hook holder is a mounted bracket designed to securely store a boat hook when it's not in use, keeping it accessible and preventing it from rolling or sliding on deck. This holder is typically installed along the boat's rail or cabin wall, ensuring safe storage and easy retrieval. Mizumoto's products are well known in Japan for reliability and long history of achievements. As the authorized agent for Mizumoto in the United States, we proudly represent Mizumoto's esteemed line of stainless steel marine hardware. We coordinate the entire supply chain process, from sample approval to production schedules to logistics and timely delivery. We are the go-to source for Mizumoto's world-class marine hardware solutions in the United States.